Hey everyone, my name is Gavin, and this will be a video on how to import other scripts to be edited in another script. So we can import another script, let's say like script 2 or something, and we can call functions on that script to run on the side. Alright, I'm just going to get started. So to start off, let's go from defaults to game logic, Blender render Blender game. And on this cube right here, I'm just going to add an always sensor and a Python controller. And let's connect it like this. And what we're going to do is I'm going to drag this out, do templates, Python, then game logic simple. And let's delete this portion right here. I'm going to rename this as script 1. Script1.py. And let's do templates, Python, and then game logic simple again. And let's delete this portion right here. But I'll also delete the main function as well. And the reason why we want to delete the main function is we're going to be calling this soon. So, yep. Alright, now rename this as script2.py. And what we're going to do is go back and inside our Python controller, let's put script1. And inside of our script2, let's just have it so we can print the word script2 like this. So when we call this main function on script2, it's going to print that. But inside script1, what we want to do is we want to just type out import script2. Script2 like this. Spelling it wrong. There we go. Alright, import script2 like this. And because it's script2.py, what we can do down here is instead of our main function, we can do script2.main. And essentially what this is saying is we're saying, okay, let's call the main function on script2. Alright, so if I were to bring this in right here and do window and toggle system console, we should see if I hit P to play, it's going to print script2 right here because we're calling this main function right here. I might actually print another message saying prints function called. Alright, so if we hit P like this, we can see it's going to print script2 then function called. Alright everyone, this is how you import other scripts into another script with Python and the BGE. I hope you guys find this very useful.